Hi, it's Bronwyn from Rap, and today I'm taking it easy and working on a really nice chill out beat for a down-tempo track from the Freak Music Endless Sample Pack. It's called Take It Slow and available at rloops.com. So let's have a quick listen to what I've got so far. Yeah, it's really beautiful. So let's get to working on creating a nice down-tempo, chillax beat to go along with this track. So the first thing that we want to do is I like to work with a 2-bar groove, and I've opened up my piano roll this time. Now, one of the really important things to note about down-tempo and chill-out beats is that they use a lot of organic acoustic sounds, and those sounds are used in combination with the more electronic sounds of the kit. So I've got a neo-soul kit. Let's have a listen to it. And you can hear I've got some really, really great acoustic type sounds in there. And then, of course, the tempo is sitting at 60 BPM for this. I like to work with 2-bar patterns and just make sure that our grid is set to 16. So let's go and find our kick drum. That's where we want to start our chill out beat. Right, the first place that we want to put our kick drum is we want to put it onto 1, and then again onto 11. And then we're going to have a look at, that'll be 13, then we want it onto 15, then 17, 19 onto 20, then 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, and then again onto 32. So we want to place a kick onto 1, 11, 15, 20, 27, and then 32. Let's just have a quick listen to that. All right. The next thing that we're going to look at is our snare or a rim shot. I'm actually going to use a rim shot on this, the side stick. And that's going to go into 5, 13, 21, 29. So we're going to pop it onto 5, and then onto 13, and 21, 29. Yeah, it's really starting to sound good. Next is our closed hats. So I'm going to use this one over here, and we want this on 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. It's all the odd numbers really. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and then we want to do exactly the same thing from bar 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Let's have a listen now. All right, fantastic. Let's have a listen to what happens when we add a little bit of movement. I'm going to place in an open hi-hat on 16 and again on 31. So here's our open hi-hat. It's a hi-hat splash. So we want it here onto 16 and then again onto 31. Let's have a listen. Right, let's have a listen to it in context with the rest of the mix. Wow, that sounds really good. You've got yourself a fabulous pattern for a nice down-tempo chill-out beat. And what you can do now is you can just go ahead and add in, if you want to lo-fi it a bit more. I've added in a little bit of crackle over here. Let's have a listen. And then, of course, some extra hi-hats for a bit of extra motion. You can see these patterns here. And then just a very cool top loop, just to bring out a little bit more of the electronic side of things. And now I'm ready just to repeat this and open it up, and I've got myself a nice little 9-bar pattern going. And I've changed the groove here a little bit. I've changed the sound, and I've also added in a few extra hats here and there that you can see in between what we had previously. I've added in an additional few hits just to give it a bit of movement. Let's have a listen. Yeah, it sounds absolutely awesome. So we're going to take that pattern that we've just created, I'm going to copy it, and I'm just going to demonstrate the versatility of this particular beat and the pattern that we've created on another track from the Freak Music sample pack. This time the tempo is at 80 BPM. Have a listen to this. And there you go. You've got a great foundation pattern for down tempo and chill out beats. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you again in the next video.